So, hi, Phil. So, despite challenging economic and geopolitical landscapes, we saw 200 billion euro rise in cash flow generation from pre-pandemic levels. European corporates are now sitting on strong balance sheets and generating healthy cash flow, which brings shareholder payouts back to the top of corporate agenda. So, first, can you tell us how European corporates are allocating their improved cash flow?
Yeah, hi, thanks, Karima. So our deep dive report provides an insight into the capital allocation strategies across 12 different sectors for European corporates and financials as we enter 2024. And today, economic risks and surging interest rates has put the focus on strengthening balance sheets and reducing operating leverage for most. But as we move more and more into 2024, we expect to see a gradual shift away from that and more towards shareholder payouts and also a potential uptick in acquisitions, although, of course, the magnitude will vary by sector.
Okay, so speaking of which, what is the trend in shareholder returns and which sector prioritize dividends over share buybacks?
So one clear takeaway from our research is that caution does remain central to the capital allocation plans for most. And with that level of caution is already beginning to ease in some sectors, and we do expect that to continue. So in terms of shareholder returns in several sectors, be it industrials or pharma biotech, we expect to see a focus on progressive dividends over buybacks. While in luxury goods sectors, such as autos, share buybacks are likely to become increasingly important.
Okay, so finally, I wanted to touch base on what is the outlook for M&A activity and the nature of deals among European corporates in 2024.
Well, interestingly, in more than half of the sectors analysed, we do expect to see a resurgence in M&A activity next year. But again, the nature of that will vary sector by sector. So typically, we expect deals to be more tactical or bolt-on rather than for large or transformative deals. And that might take the form of moving up or down production lines or geographical expansion to neighbouring markets. But while big ticket deals are likely to remain off the table for banks or industrials or utilities, they are possible in some sectors such as autos, metals and mining, and pharma biotech, for example.
Many thanks, Phil, for your insights and happy holidays.